What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at CBS and I'm gonna be showing you and I'm gonna be talking about how many devices can you use with your CBS account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So in the previous tutorials I've shown you where to find and how to download CBS app. So after you created an account or logged into your respected one, how many devices can you actually connect to your CBS account? Well, we're gonna talk about it today. So for you that don't know, you can use as many devices as you like. For example, you can stream NCIS on your Apple TV while another family member streams FBI on their iPod. Just keep in mind that you can only use a maximum of 3 simultaneous streams at any time across all CBS content, regardless of the number of devices you're using. If you're signed in with your TV provider, the number of live TV streams you can watch simultaneously is dependent upon their guidelines. Please contact your TV provider if you need any additional info about that specific topic. So overall, you can use as many devices as you want, so you can log into your account with every single device you have, but if you want to watch something, you can only have 3 streams simultaneously turned on, so keep that in mind. So overall guys, that's it for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. See you in our future videos guys. Goodbye.